Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete stream on Kik using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Kik.com. Then just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one by clicking this sign up button. And now once you've logged in your account, you want to click on your Kik profile at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Channel. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to click on Videos and you should see all of your streams right here. But on my account, I don't have any streams, so that I'm just gonna dictate what you need to do. So just go ahead and move your mouse on the stream that you want to delete, and you should see an X icon at the upper right corner of the video. So just go ahead and click on that X icon, and if you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on delete. And that is how you delete a stream on Kik. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.